Welcome to This Explainer on Deep Work. Today, we're tackling those endless digital distractions absolutely wrecking our focus. Ever work all day but feel like you achieved literally nothing? Yeah, that endless busy work is totally exhausting. Okay, let's dive into this. Deep work is literally the ultimate superpower in today's super distracted knowledge economy. It's the total opposite of shallow work, like answering endless emails, which just creates a destructive illusion of busyness. Look, constantly switching your attention actually physically degrades your brain's natural capacity to concentrate deeply over time.
So there's no one-size-fits-all fix here. Cal Newport actually identifies 4 totally distinct philosophies to get this done.
Monastic means extreme isolation, like J.K. Rowling writing. Or bimodal, dedicating specific whole days entirely to intense focus.
Rhythmic builds a highly practical daily schedule. Journalistic is advanced, instantly snapping into focus during any free gap. Just like building muscle at the gym, your brain needs daily mental heavy lifting. Simply unplugging isn't enough. You gotta train your brain to resist distraction. Try productive meditation, auditing your tools, and a digital detox. Ruthlessly audit those tech tools. Stop using apps just because everyone else does. Demand they support your goals. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is scheduling every minute actually creates powerful freedom, not just restriction. Strict time blocking builds a literal shield for your attention, stopping you from randomly reacting to every single notification.
Working in the exact same place and time bypasses mental resistance and triggers a totally natural flow state.
To maximize your output, you absolutely must drain the shallows by strictly limiting those low-value tasks like emails.
Newport introduces a fascinating paradox here. Intense downtime is actually strictly mandatory for intense, high-level performance. Seriously, because your brain's energy is strictly limited. Without complete rest, it just exhausts itself and defaults to distraction. Prioritize sleep and nature walks. And critically, you gotta learn to tolerate pure boredom without instantly grabbing your phone. Avoid this toxic middle ground where you're never fully engaged in your work, yet never fully recharging either. So ask yourself, do you want to be truly productive or just look busy? It's time to commit.